You know that feeling when you've gone keto and then you have a slice of toast? I want to clear this entire part right here and get in corn or pumpkins, or maybe corn and pumpkins. But as you can see, there's a huge amount of twigs. So I'm kind of throwing the smaller stuff onto a fire, and the bigger stuff I've been throwing over here in this corner. Vines will cover it later.
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things is just not the same. Look at that. That bean, that lazy housewife bean there, it wants to climb. Look at it. These are supposed to be bush beans. See, these other ones are like, they're about probably half the height of this guy right here. And he like wants to climb. So one of our sons stuck this little stick in the ground for it to climb on. But I imagine that the bush bean tendency is a bred tendency, and that this one just, the genetics just for a pole bean just sort of came through. And I haven't seen that before, but you know, I'm not the gardener David is. Maybe he's seen that before. Maybe you've seen that before. But I just thought that that was interesting, so I wanted to show you guys. When we first came over here, we found these papayas all pretty much in the jungle here. So one of our sons carefully cleared around these papayas. There's one more over here too, another one over there, but these few here, carefully he cleared around them, and he did the chop and drop, you know, where he cut some branches and he placed them around the base as a sort of mulch. And he's been really trying to take care of these papaya plants. And we're really looking forward to what they're going to produce, tasting, how they're going to taste. There's such a variety in papaya in what they taste. You know, the deep reddish ones, and then the orange ones, and then sometimes they're not real flavorful, and other times they're really, really great. And they're such a wonderful surprise, really, to cut one open and taste it and see what it's going to be like, because there's such variation, really. So we're really looking forward to seeing what these are going to produce. They're really starting to shoot up now that we're starting to get some more rain. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Some little papaya love here for you from the tropics.
One thing I haven't really shared with you guys lately is my method for encouraging the plants. We were talking about, you know, talking to your plants and that sort of thing, but the singing to plants is really important. So if you have an instrument and you know how to play and you can kind of encourage them through songs, this is science. This is science that we're doing. Little Diascoria, little Bulbifera, little Bulbifera. Come on, you can grow. Come on, yam vines, you can do it. Come on, yam vines, you can do it. Come on, yam vines, you can do it, yeah. Grow everybody says you're bad. Everybody says you're bad, and they try to regulate you and tell people that they're gonna die if they love you. Come on, tobacco, don't let it get you down. Grow right out of the ground. Come on, tobacco, don't let it get you down. You burned me once and I lost my trust in you, Tabasco. But I won't let you down, I'll let you grow. Grow, and then I'll use you to compost my enemies. Brassica, your family is so beautiful. Brassica, your family is so beautiful. You're beautiful, beautiful to me. A boy is called a papaya, and a girl plant is a mamaya. If you've got both, you'll get some pollination, and you'll get food for your mama and your papa and your friends and your family and your neighbor who's next door. From the papayas and the mayas and the mayas and the papayas in your garden. Oh, you beautiful thing. You can grow, you can sing, oh my papaya. He's got suspicious homemade leaves, but I like him and the roots he shares with me, Butter stick, butter stick, butter stick, butter stick, yeah. Talenum fruticosum, growing at the edge of a potato bed made from lasagna. Layers of stuff that I found. I want you to grow big from the ground. Want you to be my friend. Want you in my salad again, again and again. People say you're a lazy little bean, but you don't look like it to me. Lazy housewife bean, I want you to grow so big and green. I said lazy housewife bean. What a cute little housewife bean. You're not so lazy, I've seen you growing for me. Thank you for joining me, my YouTube friends. I hope you'll be back again next week on Monday when we continue the series. And until then, may your thumbs be green, my friends. May your thumbs be green. May your thumbs be green. You burned me once and I lost my trust in you, Tabasco. But I won't let you down, I'll let you grow. Grow, and then I'll use you to compost my enemies. I will let you punish them when they bother me. Tabasco, I just don't trust you. I want you to live. Want to give you to the people that bother me. Tabasco, yeah, yeah.